Welcome to my channel. I'm back again. If this is your first time here, welcome. I have a unit that I bought from Mslynn, and this beauty is I gotta pray for it, guys. I've been up since 3 a.m. this morning, so I'm tired. My eyes are red. I'm tired. I have a 427 ombre highlight T-part wig, a middle part body wave. So I already opened the box, and let you guys see what this beauty is. And she did come in a DHL. In this cute little box. For you guys, I am a sucker for boxes. Packaging. Mslynn. Look at this cute box. Get some a comb. We could always use a comb. Nails, which I always pop off. Wig band. We can always use those. Let's see what this is. Oh, makeup tools. Makeup brushes. Or lashes. Which I actually never put on. And a cute little bag. This is really nice. Thank you, Miss Nan. And a wig cap, which we can always use. And the wig. And it's already curled. You have your standard combs. Your combs in the one tipple here. There, you got one in the back. You got lace. Make sure you cut your lace off. And that's what it looks like. Your teeth part. This is what your wigs, your curls look like. Oh, look at that. That's some pretty. Well, let's try it on first. See what it looks like on my head. I have enough room. It fits fine. Well, look at these curls. I love the highlight. I am getting out of my comfort zone with the colors. I used to always wear black, but now, baby, cut. And you guys know how to cut the lace on here. You can do a zigzag motion and cut it close to the hairline. I don't leave lace. Some people do, but I don't. So I'll put it on the mannequin so it can, as you want it to be flat. trying to lay the roots down. The roots flat. 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 I didn't wash the wig. You always wash your wigs, but I didn't wash the wig. Yep, I do this review. Wash your wig. Yeah. So it's a bit to me. Well, the big. This is gorgeous, but I will fix it when I put it on my head. All right, let's put some powder in it and let's see what she looks like. So this is what she looks like after I put the makeup on. And I would not be gluing her down. I'm looking in the mirror over here, guys. Let's see, you can wear her either side to side. You can wear her. I have to cut some more lace on this side. I'm just knocking all kinds of stuff down over here. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, let's see if I need to cover this. You can wear it in the middle. After you glue it down, if you want to wear it in the middle. I'm a righty. This is absolutely beautiful. Well, let me turn around so you guys can see. I want to melt it down. Let me try it on my right side. It's absolutely gorgeous. I didn't glue this right here. I'm going to just let this side here and let that marinate. This is absolutely gorgeous. Comb out all my beautiful curls. Let me turn around for you guys. I'm just knocking stuff over. Too much products. I got products, hair products everywhere. All right, let me turn around for you guys. I'm 5'2". What do you guys think? Would you buy this unit from Mslynn? I would buy it again because she is absolutely gorgeous. It's the easy go on, put on, and go. I like her. Goes well with my skin tone. Beautiful. Let's talk about this baby here. Yes. This is good. This is good for the summer. Okay. I thank you guys for stopping by. Keep stopping by. Like, comment, share. Follow me in all my social media. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Thank you all so much for watching me. I will talk to you all till later. Peace.